Hello guys, this is Neeraj Yadav and you are watching this video on TechSoul. And today I'm going to tell you that how you can connect your motherboard on your own, how you can fix all the cables to your motherboard, and how you can fix your RAM, your SMPS cables, your ATX cables, your serial ATA cables, and your front panel cables. So all these things we are going to learn today. So let's do it. So here I'm gonna set up the motherboard. So the first thing I have to do, I have to uh, place this plate in the CPU at here at this location. So let's do it. So here, as you can see, I have placed the plate well, and you can check it by pressing. So it's looking good. Now the next step, we have to take the motherboard. So here, this is my motherboard. This is the Intel motherboard. So I have already set up the fan and the processor. Now you have to place it according to the screw holes. These are the screw holes you can see here. Place your motherboard. Take the wires aside. So now, as you can see, it's on the right place. You can see the holes. Okay, now let's fix these screws into the holes. Now, as you can see, I have fixed all the screws on their perfect locations. And this is a very easy task. No, I'm lying. And this is a difficult task, to fix the screws on the right locations. It takes out the sweat. So now here, as you can see, in this motherboard there are two RAM slots. Okay, so it's time to fix the RAM. I'm going to fixing a single RAM, which is the Kingston RAM. Here, as you can see, so this is the RAM. Let's fix it. So we have fixed the RAM, as you can see. Now this is the time to fix the different cable collections also. So these are the SATA cables, and this one is coming from the hard disk, as you can see. So Let's fix it here. And the text sound proves that we have fixed it perfectly. And this one is coming from the SMPS, so fixed it also. Just place in the perfect direction and press. Okay, now we have to fix these ATX cables which are coming from the SMPS cables. So just press them according to the slots. As you can see, it's a square and it's also a square. So just place it, just press it with a little force, and as you can see, we have placed it perfectly. Okay, so now the next thing that we are gonna do is the ATX cables. So we have to connect this ATX cable for the CPU power supply. So just place it and press down. Press it with a little force, so it will be fixed perfectly. Now the cables are remaining are these cables, which are the USB cable and the audio, and these are the SGD LED reset switch cable and the power switch cables. So as you can see, this is the audio cables, so place them at this audio port, right? So place them. Just press down. Now the audio cable has been fixed. Now the turn is off USB cables. So just fix the USB cables in the front USB port, right? So just press them. Down. So now these are the front panel cables which are remaining to place. So place them according to these values: power, LED, HD LED, reset, power button. Okay, so just give me a little time to place. So here, as you can see, I have fixed these cables according to the written information, that power LED, HD LED, power buttons and reset. Okay, so I have fixed these cables, and you have to do the same according to your motherboard and the manual, you have to fix these cables. Okay, so now as you can see, we have done all the important work. Now let's connect the main power supply to the CPU and check whether it's working or not. So just plug in the power cable. This is the keyboard cable. This is the VGA cable for the desktop. So just press it and tighten the screws. And this is the mouse USB cable. So just plug into the USB port. And this is the LAN cable. So plug it in. And these are a little more USB cables for the extra devices like printer and scanner and a few more devices. So just plug it in. Okay, now we have plugged all the cables. So now this is the time to check that all our connections are perfect or not. So just press the power button. And it happens. As you can see, the system is working properly. This is the fan which is moving, RAM, the LED light, and the system is working perfectly. So you can see the screen that Windows is perfectly working. So guys, this was the video that how you can connect your motherboard cables with full description. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos, and keep watching my videos for more technical updates. And thank you for watching my video. If you face any problem regarding this video, then please comment me in the comment box. Till then, see ya, bye bye.